ChatGPT is a valuable tool for creating content and improving existing data. In this video, we'll show how to create the perfect title for content using ChatGPT.
So let's get started.
When we want to create a title, I can provide the entire context for generating or enhancing it. I will explain the purpose of the title and include various relevant details to give background information. This will help clarify the case. For example, I am creating a course about ChatGPT, especially how to use it from start from finish. I want to create the title which will be best for that case. Please rate my title 1:10. Without explanations, and simply after the colon, I can type my title. Afterwards, we received a rating of 8 out of 10, which is excellent. Perhaps I just gave it too good a title. However, we can still improve it. Here's what I can write. Please improve this title, keep simple language, and make it better. For this case, we have a few different title improvement options to choose from. I can now write title prompts for targeted audiences, as well as rate the titles. For this case type, rate the best title from above options. I would like to target the title for beginner and professionals audiences. So let's see the rating 9.5 out of 10, or even what else we can do. I can type, this title is great. Create 5 variations copy of the best title. And now let's ask, which one title from them seems to be the best? And here, by this way, you can actually create the best titles for anything. A blog post, any article, and for this case, my course, or even the product description. This marks the end of the video. I greatly appreciate your support, shares, and subscriptions to my channel.